Hey everyone, Ari Shah here, and today we're going to be making an important video on how to transfer your funds from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro so that you don't keep spending high fees on normal transactions. It's ridiculous that you have to move it from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro, but it's also easy to do. So it's ridiculous if you don't make the move. Here it is. So let's not waste your time and let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Ari Shah, and today we're going to be showing you guys something pretty simple, but it's something a lot of you don't do. It's going to be how to move your money from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. So if you have a Coinbase account, you can log into your pro.coinbase.com account with the same information. Once you do, you'll see that nothing is deposited, and you'll see these balances are all zero. Click on deposit, and when you click this tab deposit, it'll say which coin do you guys want to bring to Coinbase.pro. So for those of you paying high fees and not setting the price you want to buy crypto at on Coinbase, this is your solution. It's the same company. I don't know why they separate the two. Maybe it's because they're gaining a lot of money on the retail friendly end version Coinbase. It's really easy to read the regular Coinbase website, so maybe that's why. But let's transfer. So it gives you two options: crypto address or transfer funds instantly from Coinbase.com to Coinbase Pro. So we're going to be choosing the second one. And for anyone else who's trying to send money from Binance or Kraken or Gemini, you would use the first one. So we're going to use this one, and we're going to click the max amount. So it says we're going to be moving 101 Kyber network tokens to our default portfolio, which is Coinbase Pro. And we're putting the max available for deposit. Fee is zero, limit is unlimited, processing time is instant. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, and boom, 311 bucks are in my account, completed instantly. That's what happens when the platforms are really one. But yeah, guys, that was a short video. I hope this helped people who are trying to move their funds to Coinbase Pro. Once you have your funds in Coinbase Pro, now you have so many options. You can look at the candles, you can look at the green candles, the red candles, you can do technical analysis, you can set up your buy, your sell. You can buy it at market price, or you can set a limit. You can set a limit, and you can also set a stop. But market is the first one, limit is the second one. And if you get a little bit more advanced, you might be using some stops, but those two are really all you need for long-term investing during this bull run. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Doing a few how-to videos, because I do realize a lot of you guys don't know how to work these charts, and I want you to understand that. So you can see what it's selling at, what it's being bought at. So for whatever someone sells, someone has to buy. But yeah, up here you can choose what pairing you want, whether you want Ethereum, Litecoin, and all of this is to USD. So you spend USD for that, Bitcoin, DAI, Ethereum. But yeah, guys, that is Coinbase Pro. It does everything you need to do, and it eliminates all the high fees. So thanks for spending your time with me. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So if I could help you save some money today, well, then I'm satisfied with that. Until next time with some more gems.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go.